the smartest way to turn your expertise into a $100,000 plus online business working under 20 hours a week? That is a question that I was obsessed with for years, and after now running my own six-figure coaching business working just 20 hours a week, I can tell you how to do it so much faster. Today, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap that I wish I had when I started so that you don't waste months building some online course or crazy funnel that never sells and then getting upset and quitting. You have something in you that people need, you just need to know how to get it in front of them and get them to pay for it so that they take it seriously. And of course, you actually get paid. So the first thing we have to do is know who you help. If you're trying to help everybody, you will forever struggle to make six figures or more as a coach or consultant online. There's a great saying you've probably heard, and it's that the riches are in the niches, but niching down is scary. We don't want to alienate people. We want to help as many people as possible. So we figure, let's just help everybody with this one thing, like let's say being in shape or getting into shape. Most everybody would like to have a nicer body or get into shape and improve their health in some way. But when it comes to marketing a coaching business, trying to help everybody dilutes the message, and that's why we need to niche down. So rather than being a fitness coach helping everybody get in shape, help men over 40 get lean and stay lean year round. And I get niching down feels like you're alienating people, but that's the point. By niching down and being more focused about who it is that you're helping, you get to speak more clearly to those pains and desires that they have. You understand those people more, especially when you've walked the path yourself. But the crazy thing is that by niching down, you are still reaching millions and millions of people. So for example, in the US alone, there are roughly 30 million men who are over 40. And I guarantee that the majority of them are trying to get lean and stay lean or be in better shape to set an example for their kids, just to be in a better position with their health or get their next girlfriend or spouse or wife or whatever it is, whatever their reasoning is. So even being modest with 30 million men, that's still tens of millions of people, or at least millions and millions of people that you could help. Helping men over 40 get lean and stay lean is a huge market because naturally, as we age, our metabolism slows down, testosterone drops for men, their appearance matters if they're trying to date or they're trying to grow in their career. Having a strong, lean body makes you stand out. And those problems really start hitting hard after 40. And like I mentioned before, you get so clear on how to communicate with these people when you know who it is you're helping and the outcome that you're helping them get. Men's health issues are very different from women's health issues. The way that they view it, the desires that they have for being more attractive or for leaning out or being stronger, they're all different. And you have to understand those people's struggles, their dreams, their aspirations, the challenges or the roadblocks to get in front of them, and their reasoning behind wanting to get this outcome. Because when you can speak to that, they're willing to pull out their wallet and actually pay you. Because you're speaking more directly to their situation, relating to them, telling stories about the situation, and getting the outcome, when you've lived it yourself, your message is actually going to resonate and be clear for them. If you're trying to help everybody, even with something as relatable as getting into better shape, your message starts to get diluted. So what I'd encourage you to do is to fill out this simple template. I help specific person get specific result. Mine is I help coaches, consultants, and experts build a six-figure plus online business working 20 hours a week or less. Notice I'm not telling you about the whole process or how I'm going to help you get there. I'm just saying this is the type of person I help. This is the juicy thing that I'm going to help them get. The goal is that when you say this at a networking event, in the airport, in an elevator, whatever it is, that the right person raises their hand and says, that's me. And I want that result. Tell me more. And if you're a coach, consultant, or expert, and you're serious about growing your online business and landing your first or next paying clients, then I want to invite you to my next 5-day challenge. So this is something I do once a month. It's called the Get Paid Clients Challenge. And the whole point of it is to help you get paying clients, people who value you, who aren't just trying to pick your brain, who are willing to actually pull out the money and invest in getting your help to get some kind of result. Nailing your niche and who you're helping and what you're helping them do is the foundational step to helping you turn your expertise into a $100,000 plus online business. And it's what we do on day one of the Get Paid Clients Challenge. So if you're serious about building this online business and you want to get some real high paying clients, then check out the link down below or visit profityourknowledge.com/challenge. And I'll see you at the next Get Paid Clients Challenge. So knowing who you help and what you help them do makes everything easier because now all you have to do is go connect with more of those people and talk about how you can help them. But naturally the question will come up where people get interested and they're going to say, what is it that you offer? How are you going to help me get here? And that's why we need to focus on the next step, which is creating your offer. So here are 3 steps to create a killer coaching offer. The first step is to start with the outcome or the payoff. This is everything. This is what your offer really is. It's not about the deliverables. It's not how many calls you get or how long the calls are. It's not about how often you meet, how many courses you give them in the meantime. Do they get a book? Like, none of that stuff matters. The only thing that they really care about is what am I going to get by investing in this? What is my transformation or outcome or payoff that I'm going to get? Going back to my example before, helping men over 40 get lean and stay lean year round. How many men over 40 wouldn't want to get lean and stay lean and muscular for the rest of their life and not let age define them? That makes them stand out. It makes them more attractive. It makes them more confident. And that's a huge market that you can help. Helping coaches, consultants, and experts build a 6-figure plus online business working 20 hours a week or less. I've been able to do that in my own business. And when I share that with other people, they say, dude, I want that. How can you make 6 figures plus in 20 hours a week or less? Maybe they're making 6 figures, but they're working 80 hours a week. Once you have your clear outcome or transformation that people would actually pay money for, then we can move on to step number 2 of creating your offer. And that's to lay out a simple path. The outcome is by far the most important thing, but people are naturally going to wonder, okay, yes, I do want that outcome, but how are you going to help me get there? And what we want to do is lay out 3 to 4 simple steps that are really like transformational phases to help them achieve that goal. For example, if I was to work with you and you're a coach or consultant or expert and you want to build a 6-figure plus online business working 20 hours a week or less, these are the 3 phases that I would take you through. The first thing you would do is get you discovered, because if more people knew about you and the value that you bring, you would guaranteed get more clients. So I'm not going to have you doing 100 cold DMs a day or knocking on people's doors and pitching them your coaching services. Instead, we're going to create leverage with speaking opportunities, YouTube content, podcasts, things that live on long after you do the work. Because if you want to work fewer hours, you need to create one core thing across your entire business, and that is leverage. When I post a YouTube video, it will live on for years, and I still get leads and sales from videos I've posted from over a year ago. That is leverage. The second thing we do is focus on filling up your client list. Getting private clients is the fastest path to cash. You don't need to build courses. You don't need to build an audience. You just need one person and a clear message, and have that person be willing to pay you for this outcome. Most people will make 6 figures just by talking to people they already know and just doing one-on-one coaching. But obviously, we want to scale. We don't want to be glued to a calendar all the time. So that's where we plug in the third piece, which is scaling your offer. Most people will start to build an online course or digital products or all this online stuff that's really about scalability, but they're doing it too soon. They're focusing on passive income before active income. We focus on getting you one-on-one clients first because you'll make more money. And when you create a scalable product like a digital course or a paid community, you will actually test it with these people and get their feedback on what to build. So you get paid to build a program, and you end up building a better program that you can be confident it's going to sell. And when you get those 3 things, you have constant discovery, you have a scalable mid-tier offer that warms up people to go into your premium offer. You can build a 6-figure plus online business working just 20 hours a week. So I hope you can see that just by laying out those 3 to 4 simple steps, people can see that and be like, ooh, I would love to get discovered. I'd love to fill my client list, and I'd love to create a scalable offer. This guy's going to actually help me do it. So I'd encourage you to think about that outcome and then list out 3 or 4 simple transformational phases to help them achieve that goal. And that's what you're going to do with your coaching. And then the third piece to creating a killer offer is thinking about your deliverables. I mentioned earlier that the deliverables are not everything, but that's what most people lead with. What you need to lead with is the outcome and the transformation that they're going to get. The deliverables are designed to do one core thing, and that is to show people that they will be supported in getting to this outcome so much faster. So here's a rapid fire list of things to think about for your coaching program. How long is the program? Is it 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Think about what the most realistic time frame is to get them that result in the fastest way possible. But make sure it's realistic. You don't want to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks, because that's not going to be healthy or sustainable. How often are you going to meet with them? Is it going to be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly? It's up to you to decide and what you think is really going to support those people in getting to the outcome or transformation. Is it one-on-one or group? If you are just getting started, I would say one-on-one because you don't need to worry about a group. But as your audience grows and you get more one-on-one clients, you can move them into a group, and that's where you can really start to scale your time. What kind of support do you give them between calls? I like to use Voxer, which is a free walkie-talkie app. You can use Slack, you can use email support, but give them some way to actually reach out to you in between your calls. Do you have any kind of teaching curriculum that they can study in between calls or at their leisure? Maybe you've written a book and then you give them a hard copy of your book. I like to use online courses on specific aspects like growing on YouTube or getting paid clients or creating digital products. And then I prescribe whichever course they should go through based on wherever they're at. And then lastly, what is the investment to get to this result faster? This is a whole section that we go into inside the Get Paid Clients Challenge, but I'll give you one of the best tips that I can give you when you're thinking about what should I price my package. And that is simply just to compare your offer or option to other options. So for example, if you help couples avoid getting a divorce, the average divorce costs $11,000 plus, even up to hundreds of thousands of dollars depending on how many assets you guys have. So when you think about that, yeah, you can pay $20,000 for this divorce, or you can pay me $7,000 and I'll help you avoid this divorce. And if people believe that you can help them get that result and the transformation is worth it, then they're going to pay. The biggest thing to remember with creating a coaching offer is that people are not paying for your worksheets, your modules, certifications, or your bonuses. They are paying for the shortest, clearest path to a result that they care deeply about. When you know who you help, what you're helping them do, and how you get them there as fast as possible, now you just got to go help them. When I started my coaching business, I was a 22-year-old spiritual life coach, and I spent years dreaming of getting clients while I was hiding behind my computer screen. I thought that I was being productive, creating courses and funnels and polishing my website or doing another worksheet to find my niche. And meanwhile, I was broke. But a coach of mine asked me a question that totally shook me. He said, "How many real conversations have you had with your target audience this week?" And I was stumped. I realized that I haven't been talking to anyone. I've just been doing a bunch of work while avoiding the real thing that I have to do, which is actually getting out there and making offers and communicating with my target audience and knowing what they want to actually achieve. You will never find your niche or create an amazing offer in your head. You have to get a good idea, get it good enough, and then get out there and actually work with people. This is the entire idea behind my Get Paid Clients Challenge. After having that realization and getting serious about this, I jumped from making $30,000 per year to my first $100,000 year just because I did these three things. First, I focused on connecting with people who fit the type of person that I knew I can help. And I did that every single day. Once I connected with those people, then I focused on inspiring them to see and feel that what I could help them do is possible for them. For example, people were struggling with posting every day on social media, and I would just tell them my story of how I was posting on social media every day. And when I stopped doing it and focused on long form content and podcasting, my business literally tripled the next year. Then they start to think, wait, could I do YouTube? Or could I do podcasting? And then I show them how it can actually work for them. And then they feel inspired. And once people were inspired, I did this third thing, which was invite them to the next step in helping them achieve their goals. This is what I call the Connect, Inspire, Invite framework. And we go deep into this on day 3 of the Get Paid Clients Challenge. Clients are everywhere. You just need to be proactive because nobody is coming to save you. If you want to build this coaching business, you need to get out there. If you want to nail your niche, get an idea of who you're helping and what you want to help them do and go work with them. You might find that you actually don't like working with those people or that you do. And when you're actually working with people and helping them, whether it's free or even a low cost in the beginning, you get to create an offer that you know they will pay big bucks for. Your success is in your hands. Now, on top of making more invites, one of the biggest things that allowed me to hit 100K way faster while working with fewer people was simply charging more for what I do. So watch this video next and I'll help you double your prices in 10 minutes or less. If this video was helpful and insightful for you, please give it a like and share it with someone that you think would get value from it too. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment right down below. As always, take what you learned here, get out there, make something happen. I'll see you in the next one.